Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and this is me, Jolie, and here is my buyer face. No makeup, and you can see all my pores, redness in my nose, and the dark eye, parang zombie. Okay, no further will do. I was doing a haul because 2 months I never do a haul video, and this is my collective haul. Last August, I've been in 101 Taipei 101 Towers. It's a famous tower sa buong bansa. So, famous ito na building dito sa Taiwan. And I've been there because I really want to go there at 101. Taipei 101. And they have a mall inside, but it's all branded and very, very expensive. Nandun ng mga Gucci, Prada, ng mga bag, lahat ng mga branded. Kasi that's a tourist spot, and hanggang labas lang kami ng hindi kami pumasok kasi super mahal. Okay, yung nabili ko lang yun sa hallway ng boutique is mayroon yung mga promo na mga skincare product, kasi dito sa Taiwan ay mahilig na mga skincare product yung mga Taiwanese, kaya nakabili ako doon itong ewan ko anong, I don't know what brand, but this is a NU Plus Derma. It's a dermatologist inspired. The cost is 1,500 NT, and here it is. It's buy one take one, that's why I bought it. Napabili ako. Yeah. It's NU Plus Derma UV Sunscreen Ultra Protection. And it has UVA,
UVB, FIP, SPF, PFP, yeah.
Ganda to kasi it's super hot here. It's already fall, but it's still, you can see naman it's very bright and very sun. Sakit sa balat. Tumama. And then it has, ito yung sample ng sunscreen. At binigyan din nila, and they gave also the Eye Cure Lifting Hydra Mask. Ito. Dalawa kinuha ko. And then, this is this.
Sarsoria and Eye Bright Whitening Mask. Lahat na pati yung sa whitening mask. Eye Bright. Yun! Yun ang nabili ko sa 101. And then, itong month of September, it was my off, and I bought it from, okay, dito lang sa amin sa market, sa palengke, kasi every morning until 11 customer. Iba-iba meron. Minsan meron nagtitinda ng mga fashion accessories, minsan wala, minsan parang, here is it. Tag 100 each. Ito lang, yung sa palengke, at the rest, at ito, nabili ko ito sa Taipei. I bought this at Taipei station sa underground kasi mayroon din ng mga mga accessories na mas mura na dito. Ito, I got this 180 each from Bangor in bracelet siya. It's gold and silver together with my wrist. And then ito, siguro kasi baka na-mix ko na. Nabili ko ito na sa palengke. Okay, here is it. It's 180. Yung problem lang yung ano niya, it's clip siya. Ayan. Pero may ano siya, tapos lang gawin mo lang. Okay naman. Okay, sample. Wala pang filming lang. Hindi ako susuot dito pag lumalabas. Pamimigay pag umuwi lang ng Pinas, pamimigay sa mga old. Ito, matatanda. Ayan siya. Lamit ka. Ayan. Ayan. And then, this. Ang ganun kulay. Meron din peach. Blue and green. Kasi ito kasi. And then, parang clip din ng sun. Pero hindi siya masakit. Ito parang kung filming lang ito. Then ito. Ang ganun kulay. And then, clip. Ang kampantay. Hoy.
At ito yung cute. Ganda siya. 50 lang nga ito yung binabili ko sa Taipei Station. Ito, this is, I bought it at market. Nabit at ano nga yung sa likod niya. Kaso, I don't like this kasi rubber siya. Parang lock niya sa likod. And then this, I bought this. I bought this at Taipei Station. See, I don't have ano sa pang wedding makeup look. Ayan. At saka the rest, ito. Here. 100. Yung okay yung lock niya. I love it. Kaso, and then this. I don't like the lock. It's rubber. And then this. And the lock is rubber too. Baka makahanap ako ng okay, that's it. The accessories I bought. Accessories, fashion. Gastos tong YouTube nito ah. Okay, then I bought from the Philippine store dito doon sa last Sunday kasi kalahati na lang yung tira sa sa skinol ko kaya reserve kasi nilabas ko once a month lang baka maubusan ako pero mabibila naman ako dyan pero yun kasi lang ito lang this is my all-time favorites. Ito lang yung nakakawala ng mga dark, yung pimple mark na natuyo na ito lang ang nagpapawala ng dark spot. At bumili din ako ng Kojisan soup. Ito is papaya at yung nabili ko dati ay this marami pa nga white siya. white. Pero i-try ko lang ito. Next is from Watson. Hindi naman ito lahat nasa Watson. From Watson Sasa. And from Watson, I bought this Maybelline nude palettes. And I'm very, very happy that I have this. It costs 500 something. Ngayon parang 499 na lang, kaya I bought one more. And then I bought this nose pore stripe kasi naubosan ako ng yung Biore ko na ginagamit, kaya I will try this Watson. It's buy one take one. Buy one take one. This is a free also from Watson because I spend 700 pesos NT. And this is a free Ultra Sheer Sport Sun Black Coat. And it gives a free Bio Essence cold water. Ito siya. And then I bought this AOE's lip balm, Evolution of Smooth from Taylor Swift. Meron din blue, kaya ito muna binili ko. And this, I'm very happy that I have this. It's a beauty tools. It's a nail tools. I bought it from Sasa. Ito noon ko pa gusto naghahanap ako ng ganito, kaya I grab it. Nakita ko agad, kaya dalawa sana, sabi ko next time yung isa. So ito talaga yung noon ko pang gustong bumili pero hindi ko makita kahit sa ito daw wala. Kaya happy ako nakita ko ito nung sa Sasa. Mahilig ako sa nail. And then I bought this from Sasa also. It costs 99. This one, it costs 120. Kasi I love the shape. Baka bibili ako ulit kung okay siya. Matigas siya. Gusto ko lang yung dito, yung pointed niya. At napabili din ako. Iwan ko doon sa Watson, sa Sinso, nung Sunday na pinuntahan ko, nagulat ako, mayroon silang NYX. Pero yung gustong-gusto ko ay yung milk, yung white shade na milk jumbo eye pencil. Laging wala kahit kahit sa Taipei. Ubos din, sold out. At ito lang yung nabili ko. Cashmere yung shade niya, parang yellowish. And this is a cottage cheese. Damit or t-shirt from Knit. Ipakita ko lang yung para lang sa akin.
Hindi pala, Hang Ten. I bought this t-shirt. Kasi wala akong t-shirt na mga t-shirt. formal t-shirt. And then another one. This is pink. 500. Kaya 250 yung isa. Wait, we have some more.
And then this is from Knit. www.knitfashion.net. Ang ganda din ng mga I bought it kasi it's sale. I bought it to James. Parang ano siya, flexible. I bought this kasi malamig na kaya I need this. November malamig na. Yan. Tapos buy one, dalawa is 999. Yeah. 5 na. At ito yung isa. Tapos sa likod na yun siyang it's size 38. Kasi laki ng puwet ko, kaya doon ako minsan nahihirapan. At saka yung at mayroon pa. Ipabili ako dyan sa labas namin at mayroon din dyan boutique. The name of the boutique is Sun. Yan nag-rent sa bahay ng matanda sa ibaba. Ginawa lang nilang boutique. Ito, nabili ko. Ayun. Maganda siyang parisan ng leggings or just short was 250. Maganda yung niya. I love yung quality niya. Maganda din pang. And this the another one, the gray. Okay, that's it. My today's haul, my collective haul. I hope you like this video and very sorry of my buyer face kasi ganun talaga ako, sanay akong ganito na. Sana di kayo magsawa. Yeah, this is me. This is my original. Okay, no editing. No makeup. Okay, thank you for watching and see you on my next video. Bye!